Right, in this video I just want to quickly demonstrate the filter preservation options that Xways Forensics has for particular cases. Since version 17.0 there's an option to have Xways Forensics embed the filter and sort and column sort settings on a case-by-case basis. In Options Directory Browser there's this option here, Store Filter and Sort Settings in Cases. If that is ticked, it will remember the settings and sort columns for each of your cases independently of other cases, which is really cool when you might be reopening a case and you can't remember how it was filtered and sorted last time. So with that on, let's say in here I just want to list all files that have got in their folder the word documents. If I right click and recursively explore, all the files there are listed with the words documents in them. Incidentally, that's a really good way of triaging for anyone that might be wondering. You can obviously put multiple words in there if you want, so I'll put Edgar as an additional example. It's not actually made any difference because all of Edgar's stuff is in the same path as the documents, but anyway, it proves the point. Now let's say I apply a size filter of any file equal to or greater than 5 kilobytes. It will reduce it from 194 to 69. And now let's say I apply a date filter. I did this earlier, so I've clicked on created and put in there after that particular date. So it'll only list objects that are in those folders that contain those words and that are greater than 5 kilobytes that have got a created date of after the 16th of August 2006. And that reduces it further down to 18. So again, really good way of honing straight in on potentially relevant stuff. Now let's do a sort by internal ID and path. I want path to be the primary sort, so the second mouse click in this case sets the primary sort as path. You can tell by the solid black arrow, and the secondary sort is internal ID, signified by the greyed out arrow and the two little dashes. So what I can now do is close this case and all these filters will be reapplied next time I open it. You can also, by the way, open and save saved settings. So you might have a case that's been dealt with over multiple locations, for example, so you can apply these settings on in one office and then save the settings as a text file and email them to someone else and they can apply the same settings. But now let's close this down, reopen the case, and they're all there just as they were before. And obviously to take all filters off, remember you just click the blue funnel at the top and it takes them all off. Sweet.